Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, we from the group of 12 would like to present or prepare about descriptive text. Number one, understanding atau pemahaman. Sebelum melihat apa yang dimaksud dengan teks deskriptif, secara keseluruhan, marilah kita pahami dulu apa yang dimaksud dengan kata deskriptif itu sendiri. Deskriptif is an adjective that if we mean in Indonesia mean that the description. If you were asked to describe an object, it means you have to describe the object in question for the size, color, and so forth. Jadi deskriptif merupakan kata sifat yang jika kita maksud dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti keterangan. Jika Anda diminta untuk mendeskripsikan suatu benda, itu artinya Anda harus mendeskripsikan benda tersebut baik dari ukuran, warna, dan lain sebagainya. What is meant by descriptive text is an article or text that describe the property inherent in something, be it human, animal, plant, or inanimate object, such as house, car, and so forth. Yang dimaksud dengan teks deskriptif adalah artikel atau teks yang menggambarkan sifat-sifat yang melekat pada sesuatu, baik itu manusia, hewan, tumbuhan, maupun benda mati, seperti rumah, mobil, dan lain-lain. Number 2, purpose descriptive text atau tujuan teks deskriptif. Judging from the above understanding, then in we are able to understand what is the purpose of descriptive text. Another goal is to describe everything, be it human, animal, plant, or inanimate object with proper attach to its such as size, type, color, and so forth. So that the reader can figure out where something is out or the picture we could be ever thought he has not ever seen. Jadi jika dilihat dari pengertian di atas di poin 1 tadi, maka sebenarnya kita sudah dapat memahami apa yang dimaksud dengan teks deskriptif. Tujuan lainnya adalah mendeskripsikan segala sesuatu, baik itu manusia, hewan, tumbuhan, ataupun benda mati, dengan sifat-sifat yang menyertainya seperti ukuran, jenis, warna, dan lain sebagainya, sehingga pembaca dapat mengetahui apa yang keluar dari gambar kita, dan kita harus menyampaikan walaupun dia belum pernah melihatnya. Jadi tujuan dari tes deskriptif adalah untuk mendeskripsikan atau memberikan keterangan ataupun menjelaskan tentang suatu benda.
Descriptive text has its own rules in writing, including in the structures or composition of which must be written in order. Then make sure the structure is a follow identification and description. Identification, this section, in the first paragraph, the goal is to identify something to be described. Example, you are asked to describe the new car. Then the contents of his identification is, my dad just bought a new car. This car is long, I craved, but only now my father bought. Description, this section in the second paragraph, and so on, contains the properties inherent in something that you already introduced to the reader in the first paragraph. Example, this is my new car in the lot, sport car from Toyota. Number bench, only 2. One for the driver and one for passenger.
And for you to take into account when reading the descriptive text is not wrong. So make sure you use the following feature when using the genre will write descriptive text. Using the simple past tense, present tense. We Use the simple present tense. This is because will describe a fact or truth that is attached to something or someone. B. Because of the function is to describe something by explaining its properties. C. In the descriptive text, we will often find relating verb, which is a character member. 5. Simple descriptive text and explanation. Rose. The nose is type of flowering soup. Its name comes from the Latin word rose. The flower of the rose grow in many different colors. From the red rose, yellow, and something with or purple rose. Rose belong to family or plant called Rusco. All rose were originally wild and they come from several parts of the world. North America, Europa, Northwest Africa, and many parts of Asia and Oceania. There are over 100 different special roses. A conclusion. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or thing is like. Its purpose was in to describe and reveal an particular person, place, or thing. Structure descriptive text. 1. Identification. Introduction in the form of general overview of a topic. 2. Description is concern specific characteristic, process, object, place, or people. Description. Characteristic descriptive text. 1. Using the simple present. 2. Using the verb attribute such as be, am, is, are. 3. Choose focus on object.